Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Malshi, a Sri Lankan beauty blogger who creates content on makeup and skincare. So this is my first ever video for the year 2021. So in this video, I'll be teaching y'all how to get this glowy, super simple nude Valentine's Day makeup look, which I've done on our beautiful Feroza. So if you're interested to see how we got this look, please do stay with us until the end of the video. So this is how Feroza looks before the whole makeover. So I'm gonna start prepping her skin, and for that I'll be using the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. So this is gonna be her moisturizer and the base for today's look. And once I'm done with it, I'll be priming her face with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer. And now to prep her eyes for today's eye makeup look, I'll be concealing her eyes with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer in the shade 310. And then I'll be setting the concealer with the Maybelline Fit Me Poreless Powder in the shade 320, that's Natural Tan. So just to give some nice color to the eyelids, I'll be using this Huda Beauty Nude Medium Obsessions palette, and I'll be going with this shade right here. So I'm just basically applying this shade all over the eyelid. I'm just going to blend it very slowly, and that's it. So yeah, I'm going to keep it very simple. So take your time and keep on blending with a very light hand. And now I'm using Lakme India Insta Liner. This is a liquid liner, and I'll be using this to create a very thin and a subtle liner with a small wing. And then I quickly fixed the lashes off camera. I used a very subtle pair of lashes. It was from Ardell Wispies. And with the same Fenty Beauty Instant Retouch Primer that I used earlier, I'll be quickly concealing her face, the nose and the forehead a bit, and also all her acne scars and pigmentation that she has. And for the foundation today, I'll be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation in the shade 310. And once I'm done, I'm just going to take a small beauty wedge and I'm going to press everything well, very nicely to the skin. So I'll be using the Milani translucent banana powder to set the foundation in, and this is in number 3, that is make it last. Moving back to the eyes, guys, I'll be using the Vienna Cosmetics Gold Kajal for her waterline, and I'm gonna draw a bit of a thick liner. And now to intensify the look of the lower lash line, I'm just gonna use the black matte eyeshadow from Milani Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Bella Black. And for the mascara, I'll be using the Voluminous Slash Paradise Mascara from L'Oreal Cosmetics. And now I'm gonna fix her brows. So before filling the brows, I'm just gonna nicely comb them through. And now to fill the tiny gaps of her eyebrows, I'll be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony. Since I want to give a natural looking contour to her face, I'll be using the Hoola bronzer from Benefit Cosmetics. So I'll be slightly contouring her cheekbones, the jawline, and the nose. And for the blush today, I'll be using the Patrick Ta for Face Powder and Cream blush in the shade She Sola. So from this, I'll be picking up just the powder for her cheeks. And for the highlighter today, I'll be using the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Highlighter Duo, and I'm using the shade Hustler Baby. So I'll be just highlighting the inner corners of her eyes. I just wanted to like pop it out because the eye makeup is very subtle and very simple, and also the nose a bit, and the cupid's bow and the cheekbones as usual. And also I'd like to highlight the brow bone a bit of eye makeup, just to like intensify the look a bit more. And I'm going to set everything up with the MAC Prep and Prime Finishing Mist. And finally for the lips, I'll be using the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in the shade Wherever Walnut as the lip liner. And as the lipstick, I'll be using the Patrick Ta Silk Lip Cream in the shade She's Confident. The lip liner and the lip cream goes together perfectly, but y'all else can go with a red lip since it's the Valentine's Day look. I just wanted to give y'all a very subtle day to night Valentine's Day look, so that's why I decided to go with a nude. Anyways, we are almost coming to an end, so let me get back to y'all with the final look. So this is the final look, guys. I hope everyone loved it and that y'all will try this out for the Valentine's Day. That will be in like 3 or 4 days, I guess. Anyways, if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up and show me some love by subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. So just let me know what you think about this look. Just drop your comments and suggestions in the comment section below. And I'm hoping to see you guys soon, very soon, with another exciting video. Until then, have fun and stay safe. Thank you. Bye.